Welcome back. Today we are looking at the craziest doorbell clips out there. This is why it's important to remove the snow off your roof.
I almost died!
She would have been a snowman if she had left the house just a few seconds earlier.
Can't feel my legs!
Those are my legs.
Oh, hey, do me a favor, grab my butt! Oh, that feels better.
Despite the jokes, I'm glad she wasn't crushed by it. Only a game of fetch convinced this man that their Labrador puppy was outgrowing her lapdog phase.
Are you okay?
Oh, I hit my head on the floor.
One of the most stupid criminals ever commits this crime by breaking into a car in full view of the owner.
Hey! Hey! What are you doing? Bubba, is that your car? Someone just got in the car. Can I call you back? Hey!
You won't believe this boy's response to the first snowfall.
No way. It's snowing. It's finally snowing. Let's go! It's finally snowing! Yes!
When being
Watch how this neighbor is completely freaking out.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Christmas arrived early for these youngsters when their mother discovered that the box containing their gift was too heavy for her to carry and move from the porch. Quickly thinking, she covered the box with a sheet and hoped for the best. The worst delivery driver ever may be this man. After a long day with his new girlfriend, this guy was pleased to be able to finally let it all out. Knowing when to avoid being overconfident on a doorbell camera is a good thing. Some people are simply too committed, and even though this enormous bear was blocking the path to the house, the Amazon driver continued to deliver the package.
Stop right now. There's a bear right there. There is a bear right there. That's a bear. Back away. Go back to your car. That's fine.
The holiday season is a particularly busy time for delivery drivers. So this homeowner wanted to show her appreciation for their labor by placing a basket of refreshments outside.
They be leaving snacks. Hey, 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 hey. They leaving snacks and everything. Hey, 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 hey. I'm about to give you snacks and everything. Ooh, and they got the Capri Sun. Hey, 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 hey.
Here's another example of a homeowner who wanted to express his gratitude to his postal carrier by giving her a special present.
Thank you. Thank you for everything you have done for everyone. Look at me cry. Thank you.
And the recipient broke down in tears. It's the little things that make the biggest impact. This clip shows us exactly why people have dogs. These guys had one of the greatest nights in recorded history.
You got a piece of cutter. John's a fucking perfect. You got a piece of cutter. John's a fucking perfect.
Apparently, package thieves don't only come in the form of humans. Watch as a brand new flat screen television gets thrown over a fence by a FedEx employee. The television is likely broken, but hey, he did deliver it. Another delivery driver is shown here, and this time he is confronted despite not caring whether the product is fully ruined while being delivered.
From my driveway, I've got it on video. Right now. What's going on?
So why are you stopping me and telling me this,
I'm telling you right now, dude. This guy's nuts. I'm letting everyone know, alright? Alright.
I'll just ask you to make sure your stuff is right in case I gotta send
I'll
it
make
back.
sure it's right. What is that, man? How long do you work for UPS?
This dog already owns himself. He does not require an owner. Somehow, this person neglected to put his vehicle in park, and this was the result.
Oh, it's... Holy shit!
Lastly, this is a touching reunion between a family dog that had been lost for 3 days and its owners after being located and returned home by an elderly couple.
We're glad to help.
We're glad to help. He said he loved me now. He was...
Oh, serious.
gone for 4 days.
You've been gone for 4 days? Oh my
You know,
God.
we've been posting everywhere. You have no idea. My kids and I have been sick.